All right, so now that we know the difference between Puritans and separatists, let's go ahead and take a look at our separatist, William Bradford, who is the focus of today. William Bradford was born March 19th, 1590, in Yorkshire, England, and when he was an adult, he went to Leiden in Holland to escape religious persecution because him, along with other separatists, decided and believed that they were not going to practice the Church of England religion in the way that the country was enforcing. So that was persecution of King James I of England, and then they were in Holland for a while, but were still under persecution. So they moved to Plymouth Colony on the Mayflower in 1620. There, he signed, along with about 40 other men, the Mayflower Compact, and went on to serve as governor for the Plymouth Colony intermittently for about 30 years between 1621 and 1657.